Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you seen this interesting fruit in your local grocery store and wonder what it is and what it tastes like? Stop wondering because in this video we will explore the sweet, exotic Pepino melon. So what exactly is a Pepino melon? Also known as melon pear, this fruit is native to the Andean region of South America, particularly Peru and Chile. It's actually a member of the Solanaceae family, making it a cousin to tomatoes, eggplant, and potatoes rather than a true melon. You'll often find them with smooth, yellow or cream color skin, usually with distinctive purple or brown stripes.
We have various Pepino melons in different stages. This is a young one. There's no stripe yet here. If you look at this one, this has the purple stripe shows up. As the Pepino start to mature, the stripe will become more pronounced. How you can tell a ripe one is from the color. See, this one has yellow.
Right.
That means it's ready. Yellow skin color is a good indication.
Yeah, you can see they're both yellow with
Yellow.
and this one's firm.
Very firm, so it's not ready. And yeah, when it's yellow, see, you can see it's already soft. So if you're at a store, look for the skin color and also smell it. You can smell slightly melon smell.
I have a couple big ones,
Wow,
and
look
those
at
are
that.
yellow.
Yep, and it's a little soft to the touch. You see, I touch it and it left a little bruise.
Right.
Whereas the green one, there's no bruise. It's
That
very
one's
tough.
very
It's
firm.
very hard.
That
firm.
one's like an apple.
Yeah. So this is ready. I started mine from a cutting that neighbor gave it to me. She just gave me two sticks, two branches, and I rooted it and grew it. It's so easy to grow them from stem. Most Pepino melons are grown from cutting. And I have one here that's I transplanted from the original plant and it's taking over. It's like an indeterminate tomatoes. So you have to keep pruning them. And I have one here that I want to prune because it's going over the sidewalk. I'm going to cut it right here and make cutting out of this. So I don't need all of this. I'll probably make a few cuttings. So I'll take this out.
And that's the most common way
Yeah,
that people will grow it, right? It's
Yep.
from a cutting.
it's from a cutting and they're so easy to grow. Same condition as tomatoes and eggplant. I cut those two cuttings and just have a vase with glass, whatever you have at home. I happen to have a lot of these, so I just put water, nothing else. I don't put anything, and just that's it. Wait for a few days, and the root will start showing. And I have one that I did a week ago. Look at how many roots they have.
Wow.
This is just a week old.
Yeah. It's always really cool to see.
It's so easy to. This is one of the easiest plants to root that I've grown. Look at this.
Okay, so this is usually the fun part, right? We get to eat what we've grown.
Yep.
And so these we're just gonna eat like a regular fruit or vegetable.
We just washed them.
Just wash them up.
Yeah. Usually you can eat them cold. It's a fruit, so it's
Right.
nice cold or chill. Or you can put them in salad or smoothie, but we like to just eat them like this.
Just eat 'em
So
plain.
shall we try the green one first?
Yeah. So this is one that's not
This is not ready.
quite ripe.
Yeah, got it. You can eat the skin and everything.
You can tell it's firm.
Look at the seed. The seed's very tiny.
It looks very tart.
Yeah, this is the seeds.
I'm
It's
gonna-
not tart like other fruits, but compared to the yellow one,
We'll just cut a couple small pieces, right?
yeah. Look at that.
It's actually
It's quite good. Not tart.
it's not that tart.
Wow, look at that. See, yellow? Beautiful. The seeds are very tiny, like an eggplant or tomatoes.
Look.
I would say more like an eggplant.
Let's compare. You see how
difference.
green and yellow.
This is not ripe, but it's still very tasty. This is ripe. Now we're gonna taste it. I'm gonna make a bigger size because it'll be good.
And you can peel the skin off too, right? If you don't
Yeah.
want the skin, but
You can eat the whole thing. Let's try.
okay.
Tastes like honeydew.
Yeah, that is
Soft,
Very
very
soft.
juicy. That's why I got a napkin. It's very soft, juicy. So a cross between honeydew and cucumber. And some pears.
definitely honeydew. Yeah, pear. When you mention pear, that's kind of what it tasted like, is a pear.
It's not very sweet like honeydew, but it has a hint of sweetness, right?
I kind of like it without the skin.
Yeah,
So
me too.
I'm just eating around
Me too.
the
I don't like
skin.
the skin. So what we can do is just peel the skin off. The
It's
skin
very
is very
good.
thin. It's good, right? The yellow one.
Have some napkins for sure.
Juicy. Here, without a skin. It's so good. Everybody I offer this fruit, whenever they come to my house, love the taste. And they never knew about this
I never knew
melon.
it. I never heard it until you brought it.
I also didn't know until my neighbor, one of my gardener friend, gave me a two cutting like this. So if you ever come across a pepino melon, pick one, try it. Or better yet, grow your own.
Definitely grow your own, but make sure it's from a cutting, or you won't know what you might get.
Yep. And it's very easy to grow from a cutting.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, it helps us continue to show you how to grow fruits like this and other things, how you can be more self-sufficient, and how you can know what you're actually eating. No chemicals ever touch this, right?
Yep.
The only way you can be 100% sure is if you grow your own. So like and subscribe, and we'll show you how.